Probably 'cause of my saddest days were the kind you dealt up later now. Some blues I can tell